5 rice replacement for diabetics. White rice has a glycemic index of 73, which can spike blood sugar levels by over 50% in just one meal. Could a simple switch make a difference? In this video, we'll introduce you to 5 exceptional rice replacements that are ideal for diabetics. These alternatives are not only low in carbs, but also help stabilize blood sugar, reduce the risk of complications, and keep your meals flavorful and satisfying. By choosing these rice substitutes, you can enjoy the texture and taste you love while maintaining better control over your blood glucose levels. Before we dive in, do us a favor and hit that thumbs up button if you find this information valuable. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to Diabetic Circle and click the bell icon so you never miss our new videos. Stay tuned until the end because we have 3 incredible gifts that will empower you to take control of your diabetes management. Let's get started. Number 5, barley. Barley is a nutritious ancient grain that serves as an excellent rice substitute, especially for diabetics. Its chewy texture and nutty flavor are complemented by its high beta-glucan content, a soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol and improve blood sugar control. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, consuming beta-glucan-rich barley can reduce post-meal blood glucose levels by up to 30% compared to white rice. With a low glycemic index of 28, barley raises blood sugar slowly and steadily, making it ideal for maintaining better glucose control. 1 cup of cooked barley provides 6 grams of fiber and 3.5 grams of protein, along with essential minerals like magnesium and selenium. Incorporating barley into your meals is simple. Use it as a base for salads, in soups and stews, or as a side dish with grilled vegetables. To cook, simmer 1 cup of barley in 3 cups of water or broth for 40 to 50 minutes until tender. Up next, we'll reveal another option that brings a complete protein profile to your plate, perfect for adding balance to your meals. Number 4, quinoa. Quinoa, often called the mother of all grains, is a nutrient-dense powerhouse that deserves a spot in your diabetic-friendly kitchen. A single cup of cooked quinoa contains about 8 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber, making it a fantastic source of both. What sets quinoa apart is its complete protein profile. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, a rarity among plant-based foods. With a glycemic index of around 53, quinoa digests slowly, helping to keep blood sugar levels stable and preventing those dreaded glucose spikes. Beyond its nutritional benefits, quinoa is incredibly versatile. Whether you're using it as a fluffy base for a vegetable stir-fry, tossing it into a salad for extra texture, or even incorporating it into breakfast bowls with fresh fruit and nuts, quinoa adapts beautifully to a variety of dishes. To cook quinoa, simply rinse it under cold water to remove its natural coating. Then, simmer in water or broth at a 2:1 ratio for about 15 minutes until it's tender and fluffy. While quinoa is an excellent rice alternative, we'll unveil another option on our list that's not only low in carbs, but also packs a surprising health benefit most people overlook. Number 3, shirataki rice. Shirataki rice, also known as konjac rice, is an exceptional low-carb alternative to regular rice, making it a top choice for diabetics. Derived from the konjac root, shirataki rice contains just 10 calories and less than 1 gram of carbs per 100 grams, making it nearly carb-free. This rice is rich in glucomannan, a soluble fiber that absorbs water in your digestive tract, helping you feel full longer and aiding in weight management, an important factor in blood sugar control. Glucomannan is particularly beneficial for diabetics as it slows the absorption of sugar, which helps maintain steady blood glucose levels after meals. With its neutral taste and slightly chewy texture, shirataki rice seamlessly integrates into a variety of dishes. Whether you're preparing a flavorful stir-fry, a hearty soup, or a light sushi bowl, shirataki rice can easily absorb the flavors of your ingredients, making it a versatile and health-conscious choice. For best results, rinse shirataki rice thoroughly under cold water to remove its natural odor, then saute it for a few minutes to improve the texture before adding it to your dishes. As we delve deeper into the list, Many believe that simply switching to brown or wild rice is enough to manage their blood sugar, but the reality is more complex. These so-called healthier options still carry risks, especially for those with diabetes. Brown rice, for instance, contains arsenic, a toxic element that can accumulate in your body over time, potentially leading to serious health issues. And it's not just arsenic. Hidden carbohydrates in some rice varieties can still cause unexpected glucose spikes, making your blood sugar harder to control, but you're not powerless in this battle. By choosing truly low-carb, nutrient-dense rice alternatives, you can protect yourself from these hidden dangers and take a significant step toward better health. Coming up, we'll introduce a rice replacement that offers more than just a low-carb option. It packs a nutritional punch that could surprise you. Number 2, broccoli rice. Broccoli rice is a nutrient-packed alternative to traditional rice, offering a low-carb and fiber-rich option that's perfect for diabetics. With just 6 grams of carbs and 2.5 grams of fiber per cup, broccoli rice helps keep blood sugar levels steady while providing a significant boost of vitamin C, covering 135% of your daily needs. This makes it not only a healthy substitute, but also a flavorful way to increase your vegetable intake without sacrificing taste or texture. To prepare broccoli rice, simply chop the florets into rice-sized pieces using a food processor or by hand. You can quickly saute it in a pan with a teaspoon of olive oil and garlic for added flavor, or steam it lightly to retain its vibrant green color and nutritional value. Whether used as a base for grain bowls, mixed into stir fries, or as a side dish, broccoli rice adapts effortlessly to various dishes, making it a versatile choice for any meal. Before we unveil the number 1 rice replacement, let's pause for a moment. To support you in managing diabetes more effectively, we're thrilled to offer 3 extraordinary free gifts we've compiled just for you. First up, we're giving away our exclusive ebook, 25 Superfoods That Lower Blood Sugar. This is no ordinary list. It's a treasure trove of culinary delights that are both mouth-watering and beneficial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Then, for those of you who love to cook, we're excited to present a special recipe book. This collection is packed with ingenious diabetes-friendly snacks, dishes, and desserts. These recipes are designed to tantalize your taste buds without compromising your blood sugar. And lastly, you'll gain access to a breakthrough video 30-second bedtime solution to stop diabetes. This innovative approach, the result of 20 years of dedicated research, offers a potential paradigm shift in how you manage diabetes. It's a piece of knowledge too valuable to miss, providing you with a simple yet effective nightly routine to help keep your blood sugar levels in check. To claim these incredible 3 free gifts, simply click on the link in the description below. Now, let's return to our countdown and unveil the number 1 replacement that stands as a pillar in the 5 rice replacement for diabetics. Number 1, cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice has become a go-to rice replacement, particularly for those managing diabetes. With only 5 grams of carbs and 25 calories per cup, it's a low-carb alternative that offers significant health benefits compared to traditional rice, which packs over 45 grams of carbs per cup. Cauliflower is also a powerhouse of nutrients, providing 77% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C and 20% of vitamin K per serving, which supports immune function and bone health. A study published in the Journal of Functional Foods demonstrated that consuming cauliflower rice in place of higher glycemic index foods like white rice can significantly improve glycemic control. The study found that participants who substituted just 1 serving of rice with cauliflower rice daily experienced a 19% reduction in postprandial glucose levels. This makes cauliflower rice an effective dietary strategy for managing blood sugar levels. To prepare cauliflower rice, simply grate fresh cauliflower or pulse it in a food processor until it reaches a rice-like consistency. Saute it in a bit of olive oil for 5 to 7 minutes, season as desired, and enjoy it as a base for stir fries, sushi rolls, or even as a pizza crust. Its versatility and health benefits Make cauliflower rice a staple for those looking to maintain a balanced, diabetes-friendly diet. So, there you have it. 5 exceptional rice replacements from hearty barley to versatile cauliflower that can revolutionize your diabetes management. By incorporating these nutritious and delicious alternatives into your meals, you can maintain stable blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of complications, and continue to enjoy flavorful and satisfying dishes. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these rice alternatives are you most excited to try? Do you have any favorite low-carb rice substitute that wasn't mentioned? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your tips could inspire and support others in our community. If this video has illuminated new possibilities for you or reinforced your current health strategies, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Diabetic Circle, and clicking the notification bell so you never miss out on our new videos. The Super Thanks feature is also a wonderful way to help us continue providing valuable health insights. Before you go, remember to check out the 3 exclusive free gift links in the description below. They are packed with tips, recipes, and innovative strategies designed to help you manage and even prevent diabetes. Remember, your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and here's to your health.